फिलहाल आपको ले चलते हैं राज्यसभा, जहां कार्यवाही शुरू हो चुकी है.
The attempt to derail and hijack elections to the Council of States.
That is already raised here.
State authority and power.
You cannot raise it every day.
Because the MLAs were being abducted.
You cannot raise it every day.
Location. Now in Bangalore, where the MLAs are there, since morning they have started income tax raids and ED raids and against the Congress ministers.
No, the point is, you listen.
D.K. Shiv Kumar,
yes.
This is a very serious.
Finance Minister.
I'll clarify.
Yes.
Sir.
Leader of the House.
Sir.
Leader of the House, sit down.
Sir.
No, listen to the Leader of the House. Sit down,
Sir.
sit down. Please listen to the Leader of the House. Arey, baito. Sit down, sit down.
Sir.
Listen to the Leader of the House. Sit down. Arey, Sharma ji, ask your people to. Arey, listen to him. Sit down. Arey, please listen to the minister.
Sir, let me.
Please listen to the minister.
Correct statement has been made.
Members, assume their seat. The chair want to listen to what he sit down.
Honorable leader of the opposition.
No, please.
I'm requesting
No.
you, please.
No, please.
Stop your
Sit down
member.
there.
This is not
See,
fair.
Anand Sharma raised the point.
Honorable leader of the opposition,
And finance
please stop
minister
your
is
member.
on his legs to reply to that. The chair wants to listen to that. All of us want to listen to that. Sit down. He is for the finance. Okay,
Sir.
Yes.
Yes. Both yesterday and today, two separate issues were raised. Yesterday, the issue which was raised, maybe in terms of strict legalisms, I may be tending to agree with Mr. Anand Sharma. But that was a circular which the Election Commission had brought out in January 2014. So don't link it up with today. I think that clarification should go.
Yeah.
And therefore, if therefore the Election Commission is to be represented, all political parties can take a view whether it's correct or otherwise. And let me say, with regard to the issue you have indicated today, please get instructed correctly. In that resort where your MLAs are staying, no search has taken place, no MLA has been searched, a particular individual was to be searched. He had gone and parked himself in that resort. So the authorities, because they had to confront him with the recoveries, they had gone to get him to his residence so that he could be adequately questioned by the authorities outside. As of today, as of now, they have taken him to his residence and there is no tax official at the resort. No search at the resort has taken place. No search on any MLA has taken place. A particular minister of Karnataka was being searched. Since he had gone and parked himself in the resort certainly is not an immunity area where he can get an immunity from the laws. And therefore, they have gone there to take him to his residence. He has been now taken to his residence and is being interrogated as his residence.
The finance minister has said, I will say with due respect, it is becoming increasingly a trend to brazenly abuse state power and the agencies of the state, whether it's the Enforcement Directorate, whether it is the IT, or whether it is the CBI. Now the timing is important and significant. And the place, because it is this minister who was coordinating the safety and security.
There is a search on 39 locations, not on this resort, since he voluntarily chose to park himself in the resort. They were duty bound to get him from there to his.
If there were any issues.
And mind you, whether it's a use or an abuse will depend on the nature of recoveries.
Correct. Sir,
it won't depend on where he has parked himself.
I'm not getting into that area. If there were issues, there are ways the agencies function, whether the notices are given, whether the person has done something which is violative of law. But the time, the place, the venue, but more important, it is this minister who, and the purpose. Everybody knows, it's in public domain, that the minister and his brother, who is an elected representative, have been coordinating the safety and the stay of the Gujarat MLAs. That's why it is a targeted timing. No, I'm not saying. It's the timing.
Does that give him an immunity from taxation laws?
How can
Does
you
that give him a
justify?
right to accumulate crores of rupees?
This is to
at his
convey a
Delhi
message.
residence?
This is the way. This is the way the state is conveying a message that forget about anything else. The person who is facilitating even the stay can be targeted and his residence raided and he raided. Sir, I'm sorry to say, it is not a coincidence. If Finance Minister, we respect you, if you say that this is a coincidence that it happened today, it happened in Bangalore, it happened against the person, then I'm sorry, this thing will not buy. This targeted, अरे बाढ़ में तो देखिए देश में बाढ़ आती है तो प्रधानमंत्री विदेश भी जाते हैं, आपके विधायकों को वापस ले जाए तो आपके अगवा कर ले। आपके गुजरात के एमपीज यहाँ बैठे हैं, क्यों नहीं गए बाढ़ में?
Okay, that's all.
सबरकांठा में
Okay, okay.
एमपी बैठे हैं, रूपाला
All right, all right. Let me now.
बैठे हैं।
Okay,
ये क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ
let
पे?
me now.
आप एमएलए को बोल रहे हैं।
Let me
एमएलए
turn
क्यों
to
जाएंगे? ये मंत्रियों को भेजेंगे
now
उसके।
to
ये जाए गुजरात की बाढ़
let
में,
me-
ऐसे नहीं होगा।
LOP, yes, 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 LOP, please.
Sir,
Yes, LOP, sit down, LOP, listen to LOP. Please listen to LOP, आप बैठिए. Please listen to LOP, आप बैठिए. अरे बाबा, listen to LOP, please. You can listen to that and reply. Bhupendra Yadav ji, LOP. I have allowed LOP. No, please. LOP, sit down. Arey, why you sir? You people sit down. Sit down. No, please. Treasury benches, sit down. I have given the floor to LOP. Ab baithiye. No, baithiye. All of you sit down. Yes. What is LOP?
sir,
LOP only that will go on record. Yes. Arey, sit down. What is this? No, you have to allow the LOP. LOP has to be allowed. Naqvi ji, tell them. Naqvi ji, tell them. LOP has to be. Naqvi ji, train in. Yeah. Baito. Yes, LOP, please start. Please start.
I can't speak in this then.
अरे आप लोग बैठिए. No.
ये क्या हो रहा है? ये सरकार कर रही है।
No, please. No. I would remind you the practice in this house. Always the tradition in the house is that the leader of the house and LOP will be heard in silence. Yeah. That is why when the leader of the house stood up, I admonished this side. Now LOP are standing. I am admonishing you also. This is unbecoming. Don't do that. See, no, I am telling you, both LOH, leader of the house, and leader of the office should be heard in silence. That is the practice. Now LOP.
सर, हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में इलेक्शन चाहे वो विधानसभा के हों, लोकसभा के हों, राज्यसभा के हों, फ्री होने चाहिए, फेयर होने चाहिए एंड विदाउट फियर होने चाहिए, बगैर डर के। लेकिन इस राज्यसभा में जो अभी हो रहा है, यहां तीनों चीजें लागू नहीं हो रही हैं। फ्री भी नहीं हो रहे, फेयर भी नहीं हो रहे, और डर और भय का माहौल जो पहले एक स्टेट में था, अब वो वेस्ट से साउथ पहुंच गया। वेस्ट में हमारे एमएलएज, उनका अपहरण हो रहा था, किडनैपिंग की कोशिश की गई, सारे तरीके इस्तेमाल हुए। और जब एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट में, एक रीजन से दूसरे रीजन में वेस्ट से साउथ लिए गए, और ये भय और खौफ और ये डर और अनफेयर प्रैक्टिसेस उनका पीछा वहां तक कर रहे हैं। इसका सीधा संबंध इन रेड का, माननीय फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ने कहा, लीडर ऑफ द हाउस ने, कि एक व्यक्ति पर कर रहे हैं। ये व्यक्ति पे आप 1 महीने बाद कर सकते थे, 1 महीने पहले भी कर सकते थे। ये आज क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि वहां उनका खाना देने या पूछने चले गया है कि पार्टी से संबंध रखते हैं, तो आपने उसमें शक किया कि शायद पैसे बांट रहे हैं। पैसे बांटने का आरोप आपकी पार्टी पर है, हमारी पार्टी पर कोई आरोप बांट नहीं है। वो तो आप बांट रहे हैं। जो आपकी पार्टी के लोग पैसे बांट रहे हैं उन पे रेड करो। ये जो 15-15 करोड़ लोग 15 करोड़ ऑफर कर रहे हैं उन पे रेड, उनके घर पे रेड करो, न कि उनके घर में। सर, ये इलेक्शन फ्री एंड फेयर होने चाहिए एंड विदाउट फेयर होने चाहिए। ये इंश्योर करना पड़ेगा इस सदन को और इलेक्शन कमीशन को। ये इलेक्शन के दौरान, जब इलेक्शन प्रोसेस शुरू हो रहा है, 3 दिन इलेक्शन को रहे और डराने के लिए, धमकाने के लिए आप गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की तमाम एजेंसियां इस्तेमाल की, अब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की एजेंसियां इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। ये देश में क्या हो रहा है? ये लोकतंत्र के खिलाफ है। ये कैसा लोकतंत्र है? ये कैसी जमहूरियत?
All right.
ये तो बहुत गलत बात है।
Now let me turn to 267. That's okay. All right. Over 267. I turn to 267. Notices under 267. Notice PL Punia. That is he can put up 0 hour notice. Then Sri Naresh Agarwal, Rural Patrol and Diesel Patrol. Now please allow 0 hour. No, please. Not that good. I have a dozen notice of 0 hour submissions. I request the members, don't stand in their way. They have a right to raise their issues. This is unfair. No, this is not. This is unfair. Please go back to your. Please go back. No, I am not worried. Why do you block this? Hussain Dalwai, your 0 hour is there. Hussain Dalwai, your 0 hour is there. I am Hussain Dalwai. If you are not saying, I will call the next. Shoaib Malik, your 0 hour. Shoaib Malik, your 0 hour. Do you want to say? Your 0 hour. Shoaib Malik, your 0 hour. No. Shoaib Malik, you can say your 0 hour. Yeah.
मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं, स्ट्रॉन्ग लॉ टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट द चेक बाउंसिंग। मैं बचाता रहा अपना घर दीमकों से।
No, your 0 hour.
भ्रष्टाचारी कीड़े मुल्क खा गए। तो मैं आभारी हूं प्रधानमंत्री जी का, मैं आभारी हूं वित्त मंत्री जी का, जिन्होंने भ्रष्टाचार पे कड़ी चोट की। जनधन योजना, नोटबंदी और जीएसटी से भ्रष्टाचार पे कड़ी चोट हुई है। सर, बैंकिंग के लिए अच्छी व्यवस्था है कि अब बैंक से जो पिछले समय में लोग पैसा लेके डकार जाते थे उनके खिलाफ बैंकिंग में तुरंत एक्शन है। पर एक वर्ग ऐसा है चेक बाउंसिंग का, जो लंबा कानूनी प्रक्रिया होने के कारण वो सुरक्षित हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि जो नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्ट है सेक्शन 138 उसकी लंबी प्रक्रिया है, उसके कारण लोगों में बहुत प्रवृत्ति है कि वो चेक बाउंस करवा देते हैं, जिसके कारण बहुत बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार होता है। सर, आज देश की अदालतों में 18 लाख से अधिक केस पेंडिंग है। सर, कई केस 5 साल से अधिक चेक बाउंसिंग के।
तो बेंगलुरु में हुई छापेमारी पर संसद में हंगामा हो रहा है, उसके बीच कार्यवाही चल रही है। राज्यसभा में कांग्रेस के सांसदों ने जमकर हंगामा किया, नारेबाजी इस वक्त वो कर रहे हैं। वेल तक में पहुंच गए हैं कांग्रेस के सांसद। इससे पहले कांग्रेस की तरफ से आनंद शर्मा ने अपनी बात रखी और ये बोला कि सरकार केंद्रीय जांच एजेंसियों का दुरुपयोग कर रही है। वित्त मंत्री अरुण जेटली ने यह सफाई दी कि कांग्रेस के किसी भी विधायक को लेकर छापेमारी नहीं हुई है, किसी को भी सर्च नहीं किया गया है, सिर्फ कर्नाटक के मंत्री के खिलाफ छापेमारी हुई है और उसके बाद उन्हें उनके रेजिडेंस ले जाया गया है, जहां उनसे पूछताछ चल रही है।
ये है एबीपी न्यूज़, आपको रखे आगे।